Alright, let's go over here, draw Godzilla's head with the Christmas hat, and let's hop right in, alright? It's going to be more of like a side view, and so right off the bat, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a line down for his brow. Out over here for the snout. Slight curve. Downward here. Pulling back. He's got kind of like a box right there from kind of the front part of the snout. Down here for the cheek. Back. I'm going to go over here and pull a line here for the lower jaw. Going to go and pull straight down. Up. Curve over here. Pull back. Alrighty. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna kind of pull down for the neck. And I would say I'm gonna pull a little bit for the throat there. Down, 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 down. Gonna pull back over here for the brow. He's got a really flat head, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that Christmas hat on him, okay? Bam. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line right here. Downward, zigzag, back, down over here, back, down over here, back. It's gonna get bigger. His neck gets a lot bigger as it goes back. We got kind of the ridge of that hat. Pulling curve here for the chest. Line over here. Line over here. Gonna go over here and pull in line. Downward. Curve back. Line over here for the nostril. Alright, so now we gotta throw some Godzilla stuff in there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification, okay? Definitely hit the bell notification. But yeah. Gonna go back here now. And now we're gonna draw the hat. So we draw it backwards, forwards. Let's draw it backwards, okay? Up. Angle back. Down. Gonna go over here. Curve over here. Line in, maybe out down here for a fold. Curve right there slightly for kind of the tip of that hat as it's bending back. Zigzag here. Line over here. Back over here. Teeth, tooth, 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 tooth. And right here we're going to draw like a line down over here for the skin. Line up here. We're going to draw the line. Now we're going to draw a line over here for the tongue. And with tongue right there is going to be like a shadow. And kind of we want things to kind of be pushed back. Line, line. Curve over here. Now, literally everything from here is going to be texture, right? Because Godzilla's entirely texture. You could kind of throw a line over here, for kind of like there's kind of a separation between planes, between the back and the front, and it's kind of almost like a physical change right here. Line over here. Line, 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 line. Line, 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 line. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Line, 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 line. Line over there. curve. Line over here. Line in here, right here. Line over here. It's going to kind of be snarling, right? So he's kind of furrowing some muscles right there in the snout area. And now I'm drawing these lines a lot thinner. The reason I'm drawing them a lot thinner, except for this one's going to be his ear area, is because, again, when you're drawing these thinner lines, they go on as detail, right? Do not forget, by the way, if you want to learn how to draw in general, like all out, go to sketchingeasy.com. You know, there's going to be some lessons there pretty soon. Or go to Skillshare. The link is in the description. Go check out the Skillshare. There's full lessons on anatomy, on how to draw anything you want. Just if you want to full out increase your drawing skill, go there. A line there. I felt like I needed a decorative line there. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull like maybe thin lines here to give it a little bit more of a feeling of this like leather back kind of thing, this leathery skin. Line over here, line, 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 right there. Again, we're just drawing these little kind of half circles as well, that more or less kind of has scales on it. Line over here, just these thin little lines. Line down here because I want to put a dark under the neck, and the reason I want to do that is because it kind of grounds the whole drawing. I always like throwing large kind of dark shapes somewhere because again it gives it that kind of like, you know, bam, like stamp, like it's on the paper. Really helps. And again, I'm doing that over here around the eyes as well. So he's kind of like, it's almost like he's wearing this giant Christmas hat out of spite, pretty much. There we go. And that's mostly it. I think you can kind of just keep throwing little thin lines here all over the place to kind of give it a little bit more texture. But that's mostly it. I want to thank you very much. There's two different ways to do your drawings. One is like you're sandwiching the drawings, right? You're layering your stuff like a cake. And then the other one is you know, we kind of just draw straight into it like this. Thank you so much. I want you to comment in the description, say hi, say Merry Christmas, say what's up. I will talk to you next time. You are amazing, and I will see you very soon. All the power to the artists. See you later.